Hey, yo, hey, yo. We got us a kick in place. And I am in the process of removing some panels. How stupid is this? You have to take the seat belt anchor off to get the plastics off. This is retarded, man. What's up, guys? T-Fade here. And I'm just going to show you the work that went on in the kicks and some pictures. I don't really have any video of it, but you can see them here on Brad's bench. And as I've mentioned before, Brad really picked up my slack on the kicks, and I appreciate him for it. But relatively simple build here. Well, for him anyway. Yeah, anyway, just some pictures since I don't have any video. Good Lord. 20 years worth of crap. Oh, God. So, obviously, I'm trying to run wires. So, I'm pulling this plastic piece. But if I want to pull this piece, I have to pull this piece. If I pull this piece, I have to take the seatbelt anchor and all of this whole piece. What the hell, dude? Just continuing to pull things apart. All this carpet was attached every damn where. I pull this this whole panel here, which looks like I need to lose that. All this. Yep. The speaker's holding it in, dumbass. Rather large collection of plastics I'm gathering here. But it's all out. Hey, a kick panel. Oh, this plastic bullshit. So much room for activities. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, little update on the kicks. We have some grill. We dropped some rib nuts for security. Then grill, we're gonna do the washer bolt trick, and then this is like they call it pre-filter. It's like stuff they use for snowmobiles or something. And that ought to keep the water out, and then we're gonna do another layer under the truck, sort of a sandwich. Go ahead. All right, we're testing the pre-filter stuff here, see how it does with water, and that is pretty effing amazing. It doesn't fall through there, dude. That's crazy. It's holding a puddle. No wonder this shit costs so much. Yeah, that's fantastic. All right, things are happening. Power to the back. We got speaker wire. We also have some 4-conductor on either side. That's like contingency plan stuff. Voltmeter, tweeters in the future, signal, or whatevs. So work is continuing. Sexy! Super bank in place. That's actually pretty satisfying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Finding SQ. Quiet. You gotta be quiet for sound quality. Yo. All right. We got to get some work done on this thing, people. I don't know what the hell y'all been doing, but we got shit to do, man. Rings are affixed to the dash, and I used a don't ask, don't tell method, meaning don't ask me, and I ain't gonna tell you how I done it. Kick situation. Well, let's see. We got all the plastics out. I got power run. Oh, I think I showed y'all that. Kick is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. I gotta figure out whether that's going behind it or under it or what. So we still got a long way to go. Today is all about getting as much done as possible. I couldn't find my soldering iron, so obviously I had to spend the first hour of the day running the roads, getting a new one. Got me some gasket for the window seal stuff for the rings. I forgot to show y'all my dash mat. This will be hiding all the duct tape and zip ties. So that'll go, and then we'll have to cut a hole out for the sleekers. Yeah. Oh, that's showed y'all that, but I cut all the old urethane off the window. From what I understand, the best seal is actually cut urethane, not even naked window or naked glass or metal. Still need to do the truck, but we might even be able to get the windshield back in today. Got a couple tubes of that gunk. Yeah. You slut. Listen, if you're gonna be fancy, heat shrink goes on before you solder. Tenfold. Have you ever seen my heat gun? Bruh. Am I? Oh, there it is. Bingo bango. Soldered. Is that how y'all say that? Solder. It don't take but an extra couple seconds to do this correctly. Normally I wouldn't even solder these on here, but seeing as how I'll never get back to them when the windshield goes back in, I can't take any chances with connectors falling off. So it is what it is. All right, one down. Do the other one. Get those mounted. Man, moving right along. Shout out to our friend Richard Vedvik, aka Keep Hope Alive, for turning me on to this stuff. Ultra Touch, we've talked about it on the show before. Made me a pocket, stuffed it all up in here, and there was a hole for the window vent back here that covered with deadener, and then made a fat pocket of all this stuff, just a pretty good amount of fill. And that it won't change the total Q of the speaker. Like, it'll still be quote unquote IB, but that'll minimize some of the higher frequencies rattling around back there. Passenger side is done, man. I even used fancy screws, bruh. Onto the driver's side. I was wondering, is there any debate at all as to which one of these is positive and which one is negative? I know which one I always use for each, but is there any debate? Which one do you guys use? Let me know in the comments. You know, I was thinking, for the sake of time, that it would be easier just to build a little sealed box, slap it in here, screw it to the damn floor pan, and be done with it for now. But seeing as how a picnic table comes stock in this thing. I'm now thinking it might be easier to just cut a picnic sized table piece of wood, cut all of this shit out, slap some 15s in there, call it a day. Man, that might actually be easier. A little bit of table saw, a little bit of sawzall, and then I'm done with it. Hey, that's our buddy. That's our mascot. You got any good bugs lately? You got anything fun?